Here's a pro gardening tip that will help you be successful during your garden season. Get your quality seeds during the winter before they're all gone. I have noticed people struggling finding high quality seeds like you can get from Survival Garden Seeds during the spring. That's why I say get your seeds during the winter. Go ahead and plan it out now. I would definitely recommend this American company, Survival Garden Seeds. You can buy individual packs from them, or you can buy the 30-pack Home Garden, the 50-packs Homesteader Garden, and they also have a 100-pack Farmer's Collection. Not only are these high quality seeds, but they're very affordable. This 30-pack, only $30. This 50-pack, only $50. The Farmer's Pack's 100, it's only $100. So it's $1 per pack. But I can do you one better. Survival Garden Seeds and I have linked up, and we are going to give you 10% off of your Survival Garden Seed packs. The 10% off is not for individual packs, only the collection packs. Links in the bio.